Hey everybody, the weekend's almost here. If you plan to play around with Panamation this weekend with vMix, here's a quick tutorial on how to add Panamation as a source and a little animation that I made that you'll be able to download from our Facebook page, Panam NDI, as well as the Global Streams Facebook page. Let's say that. Alright, so we're in vMix, and the way to do this is to first start out by opening Panamation. I've of course already downloaded it and installed it, and here it is in front of you in the 768 mode. Looks like Duke's ready to go inside. The weekend is here, so better hurry up. Let's go to Workspace and make sure that everything's cool here. I've got Alpha and NDI turned on. If I want to, I can go ahead and open up vMix here and see my own workspace. And let's just go ahead and pull up this graphic that I made and edited for this. So we've got a little brick wall there with some text that comes across and then breaks open to reveal program video. So what does that look like? Let's get it going in vMix. So I'm going to add an input, and I'm going to choose my NDI source here. It should show up as Globecaster Panamation, and it will populate there. Just go ahead and turn it on as your overlay and hit play, and you can see that thing come in and reveal your program source. There you go. That is how to add a input from Panamation into vMix. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos that'll be coming up soon, and have a great weekend.